Right then, I hope you're all doing well. What I want to cover this week is how to optimise and make the most of using my Ninja air fryer. It's actually a multi-purpose device where you can actually you can roast, you can grill, you can air fry. But there's also a function of dehydrating, which I've recently discovered. Crispy, fried, oil-free shallots and onions. It's absolutely brilliant. So I've actually covered a recipe to explain that, so please check that out there. I've also recently done things like limes. When the limes are just starting to turn, dehydrated them, and these act as a really nice garnish for food, but also cocktails. So I'm going to start using these on my cocktail channel, so please check that out. Hibb's Happy Hour, every Friday at 5:30. Strawberries, so I mean look at these, absolutely brilliant. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do the bananas. So these bananas are just starting to turn, you can see they're getting quite brown here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to really finely slice these up, and then I'm going to place it into an air fryer. You can actually put it into a base, but I like this because it's just got that air underneath to allow the air to circulate. So let's get going. Right then, just remove these from the air fryer on the dehydrate function. It's not hot, it's just come out at 60 degrees, so it's just fairly warm. But you can see here, it's just all pretty much fused to the bottom of the tray. And it's relatively simple here, so all you've got to do is just unfuse these, and they're just really crispy banana chips. I've got a whole range of different things I've been dehydrating now. Even herbs, you know, I've got some dried dill here, which was just turning, and I wasn't going to do any cooking, and they just, I mean, look at that, you're on a really low heat, 40 degrees. So all I've got to do now is place these into an airtight container. So it'd be really interesting to see what you've been using your air fryer, your dehydration machine. So yeah, put your comments below. It'd be really interesting to see what you've been doing. Hope you found this inspiring and inspirational, because it's a great way of not wasting food, but also preserving food without any additives. So hope you do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this show. And also check out my playlist for other air fried recipes where I've used my Ninja. So have a good week, everyone. Enjoy.